A commitment to helping those in need runs deep in Ireland's culture. Our empathy is born of pain, the pain of discrimination, oppression, and poverty, of immigration and forced displacement, of conflict and division, above all, the huge trauma of our famine. Our empathy is born from hope, the knowledge that change does come. The Ireland of today is transformed from that of a century ago. Ireland's experience has given us a fierce desire to help others. From our experience of conflict and reconciliation grew a desire to help others along that path of peace. From our experience of injustice and discrimination grew a commitment to shape a multilateral order governed by the rule of law and human rights. From our experience of hunger grew the impulse to help those furthest behind first.